Gua, 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 Guangdong baby, got the guang, got the dong, got it all. Guangdong, oh yeah, 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 Guangdong, China. I'm taking a stroll, seeing what's all about, looking all around. It's Guangdong, baby. Got the guang, got the dong, got it all. Guangdong, oh yeah, 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 Guangdong, China.
So we're on Dongmen Pedestrian Street, so you can kind of get a feel for the crowds and all the stuff going on. City center. Lots of noise and shops. Lots of shopping. And it's the middle of the daytime. It's 12 noon on a Sunday, so that kind of gives you some context. I think at nighttime it would be a lot different. And yeah, so this is what it looks like. We're gonna walk down. I don't know which way to go. We'll make a decision. Anyways, let's check it all out. Shenzhen on a Sunday around 12 noon. Take that as it is. Okay, we got Shenzhen, Dongmen Pedestrian Street up on the map, so you can see exactly where we are. And if you're anything like me, you know, sometimes you want to see the place to go in a city. So this is basically a video like that, so that you can just kind of see what the pedestrian street looks like. This is in the daytime. It'll have a completely different look in the evening and nighttime when the lights go down, sun goes down, and the lights go up. But anyways, this is what it looks like right at that moment, and we'll bring you there as if you were there yourself. All right. Yeah, so we could actually go down any one of these ways. I think we're going to be going down that way towards that big McDonald's with the yeah, lots of music everywhere. So yeah, this is supposed to be more of a, it's like kind of a main street, shopping street, so you have a lot of I guess the noise is intended to attract, so that's why you're hearing a lot of noise. Apparently it attracts people to the shops, so that's why you hear the noise makers like that, things like that. And I think a lot of music too is also intended to liquid water, so it's all meant to bring people into the shop, I guess. It sounds counterintuitive because for me it kind of drives me away, like I want to get away from all that loudness, but that's not the way it works here. It's the opposite. So here, I guess apparently the ideas are drawn to all the loudness. DVD shop. So yeah, you can hear right? Somebody's doing the ding ding ding. I guess that could be for that too, but I think it's. And I guess yeah, there's loud music here. If they play that really loud, it brings in the people. I guess. Oh, there's the guy who got up there. Anyways. So yeah, it's kind of loud. We got a microphone here. So yeah, that draws people in if you put out the microphone. People want to go in, I guess. Some little side streets here. I guess this would end if we went over there, so I guess I'll kind of walk over this direction. Yeah, I can't even imagine at nighttime the noise levels of trying to bring in customers. But that's kind of the way that that's the theory is that, yeah, the louder you are, the more people want to go there, I guess. doesn't make any sense to me, but. So there's lots of different ways we could go. We could go down that way, but there's also this way we could go. Let's just go in this way. Now I feel a little bit more relaxed because it's not so loud. So this pulls me in more, but I guess if you were attracted to the noise, I guess you'd want to go the other way because that's where all the noise is at, I guess. Some wigs over there, shopping bags, shoes, lots of shirts everywhere in here. That's more shirts, more wigs, white horse. Huh. Tattoo has like a check, or oh no, CSC Shenzhen tattoo. So they put the SZ in front of the tattoo, which made it look like it's check writing or something like that. Okay, so it's more relaxed over here. That Main Street was too much. So we're giving you a little slice of Shenzhen. Just for references, points. Looks like that's going to end down that way, just not too far away. I'm going to go this way because I'm going to try to give you an idea of this Dongmen pedestrian street. Yeah, from what I could gather, it's predominantly shopping. And just so that you know, the next city I'm going to be going to is Changsha, which also has a pedestrian street, and I heard that one is more nightlife, where most of these pedestrian streets are more shopping. This one's definitely a shopping one. So a good place to buy things if you are into shopping and buying things. This would be a place to go. You can buy lots of street food, I can see, like over there, and you can definitely buy shirts and pants. So if you're lacking shirts and pants, you can do an upgrade there a little bit, or get a tourist one, or whatever you need. Sugar cane. So it looks like we're gonna open up into a giant. So yeah, this area is kind of nice because it's all pedestrian oriented. So it goes all the way down that direction. In that direction. And I guess I'm gonna go right back into this direction. I know it goes into the louder one, but this also looks the most attractive with the visual red. And you know what's kind of interesting is now that I got away from that loudness, well, it's getting loud here a little bit. But getting away from it, it actually was like more people over here, and the quiet areas it's like a little bit more. And then when you get near that loud area, there's loudness here too. So I don't know. That ramen looks good though. I just ramen. Where's that ramen shop anyways? Is it over here? The food court area. Yeah, actually if I could get that ramen I would go there. I guess it's up there. How do you get in there? That's gonna go back to that loud street, so I'm gonna see if I can find the ramen shop, which I think it's gonna be up there somewhere. I don't know. China Welfare Society. Well, I am not going to be able to find that ramen shop on this street because I don't see the entrances. So we're going to go look on the other street, and I think I'm going to maybe end this a little bit after 7.5 minutes. I think you got an idea. If I can find a ramen shop, I'm going to get some ramen. Getting back into the loudness.
南中间店有买就上，有买就打折。
That's what I want to find. That right there. Maybe it's up there. It's closed.
今天瞧一瞧，5折优惠，5折实惠。南中间店有买就上，有买就打折。
I guess we'll just assume that it's closed. Anyways, let's go back up to the main spot where we started out. This spot area. So I'll bring you back up here. We'll do a little 360, give you an idea of if it's bringing in more people to the lodges or not. Guess it could go either way, really. I could find that ramen shop. Right there. That's a little slice of Shenzhen for you.
Got it all, Guangdong, oh yeah, 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 Guangdong, China. I'm taking a stroll, seeing what's all about.